Now let's see, let's run this code. uh, yes, it is printing the size of char is 1, so it is printing correct, size of char is 1. Now let's print the other data type. I'm just copying paste it. uh, I'm just copy pasting it, and I'm changing here for int, and just changing here long, then changing here for float, and then we change for double. Okay, here one more thing is that int. Now let's run this, and let's see it is printing false or not. Let's this. Yes, it is printing. I'm keeping this here. Yes, you can see that it is printing size of char is 1, size of int is 4, size of long is 8, size of float is 4, and size of double is 8. Here it is because of this line, right? Size of double is 8. It is printing correct, so it is giving the correct output. Now this is the way you can write size of, you can write and write the data type inside this bracket, and then you will get the size of that data type. In this way you can find, here we use a cout for printing the value, and in double quotation, inside the double quotation we write the text. This is taken as a sentence. It consider this as a sentence here, this as a, because I have written inside this quotation, double quotation. And this is the main function, int main. How this is how which we start the programming in C++. First we write, I have told you in just before that iostream. It is a header file where we use cout, and most of the time you will going to use iostream only, this header file only. And it basically stands for standard input output string. So for that we use this iostream header file. Then we will write using namespace std. Then we'll write, this is the basic structure. Apart from this, I'm just cutting it out. Apart from this is the basic structure that you must need to write in every code. This is the, then we write return 0. I will clear all the things one by one, but just for now you can see that this is the basic structure. In this way you have to write the code, and this is the what here you can put the logic or the programming which you want to run, or which on which you want to. So this is the main function. Inside this main function you only can write. And in other video we'll talk about the array functions and class structure. Everything we will cover, linked list, everything we will cover in this playlist. Now I hope till now we all have clear. You can find it for other also, other data type also, that you can, and will use in our programming. So then you will more clear with this. Now in this video we have talked about data type, basic data types, macro, most common macro, constant, global variable, its advantage and disadvantages, header file of C++, input, output, and practical example to help you understand how to use them effectively. That all we have covered in this video. And we got to learn that data type are the building block of C++ programming. That we learn from this complete video, that data type is a building block. Okay, understood? If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. And don't hesitate to leave any questions or topic would you like to us to cover in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore our essential C++ programming concept. Until then, stay curious and keep programming.